Hey, what's up? This is Ron, and I am so excited that you're here for this paddle video. It is going to be totally awesome. Okay, so why do we have these paddles? If you are in a workshop, if you're in any kind of Zoom session, and you agree with something that somebody else is saying, you would hold up the sign that says, totally. On the other hand, if you hear something that you're thinking, that's fantastic, that's amazing, you would hold up the sign that says, awesome. And if it is absolutely amazing, then you can flip it and go, totally awesome. All right, so here are the materials you're gonna need. You have in your convention box, you got totally awesome. You got the popsicle stick or the craft stick, and then you'll just need either some glue or tape or maybe a little bit of both. Okay, so the first step before we flip this over and start taping is you wanna make sure that it's lined up first. So notice that I'm lining it up with the Leadership Mixtape cassette, and then we're gonna go ahead and flip it over and apply the tape. So the next thing I did was using the Scotch tape, I just lined up the popsicle stick so that it's about halfway up the awesome side, and then put that one piece of tape down right there. The next step was with the Elmers Glue. Just lightly or liberally apply it, depending on how much you enjoy glue. Make sure you get it on the stick part there, and then kind of on the circle part as well. All right, next up, we're gonna line up the totally. And notice that I'm lining it up with the Mixtape logo there, because I lined it up on the other side with the logo as well. All right, we are teachers, so we have books lying around. So I squished my paddle underneath the Webster's Dictionary here, and I would say, maybe let that sit for about an hour, just so it is nice and squished and flat. And then after you've let the glue dry, you are all set, and you have your totally awesome Kata Convention paddle. If I can do it, I know that you can do it. Thank you so much, and I'm so excited that you will be attending our totally awesome Kata Convention, March 1st through 6th, 2021. I am so excited to have you there. I'm so excited to see you at the pre-cons as well, those of you who will be at the pre-cons. Thanks so much, and have a wonderful day.